Hello everyone, still working on this guy. You know, I started it last year when I was doing the upgrading on it, you know, the windows here and whatnot. I made these little window trims, so I'll bring it close to you. Close enough? Yeah, so the rubber trim here and up here, and added the stripping up here. And made a new ring so it would glow better. And what I did is I painted it lacquer, all lacquers, you know, obviously white, and then a clear over it, which came out like shit. Just didn't go on good, even with a rattle can or airbrush, just goes on not very good. So what you do is you paint it, you let it set for like a week, and then you come back and you start buffing it out. So I don't know if you can see, it's pretty flat right now. You know, it looks pretty rough and flat. But yeah, you wet sand it all down, the paint, and then what I used for mine, I wet sanded it with 800 grit, then 1000 grit. Now I got to get some 1500 grit, and then I polish it out with like a soft. I use a T-shirt, but this is like the scratch remover. It's a plexi polish, but I like it. It works really good on on models. On my trim, Jesus. And then for the finishing, I just use the Meguiar's polish. You know, and what you get. Let's see if we can see the difference in the light here. I don't know if you can see how dull that is, you know, but then you can see how shiny that side is. It's got a really good shine. Dull, shiny. Jesus, the bottom is still dull. You got to repolish it. You can see that looks fairly decent, you know. So yeah, that's how it's going so far with the Proteus. But you can see the ring here, how it's a translucent ring versus a clear one. It's much more even. So when you put the dome on here, new dome I made, dirty as hell right now. You know, and then the ring they give you, so it kind of looks like the one on the show. But yeah, so that's how it's going so far. A little more video on my Proteus. It's I got it all shined up. I'm not sure how the video is going to look. Maybe we'll do it justice. It's fine. It's not super perfect. So this video will cheat it a little bit, make it look nicer than it really is. But still painting the tail wing. And got to polish it out because the paint job on it wasn't so great. Actually, it was shit. So repainted it. So here's what it looks like lit up a little bit, which you've seen before. But it's kind of hard to see when you know the light's on them. Underneath, you know, got the bottom all nice and polished up and shiny. So. So here it is, pretty much finished as far as I'm concerned. Tried to get a decent paint job on her, as you can see. I don't know how well this thing's going to shoot inside the interior, probably not very well, but I'll do my best to try to get it in there. Perhaps I need to turn off a light or two, like this one. There we go. Now you don't have so much reflection going on. Except for the top there. The bubble. It's really dark inside, so it's kind of hard to see, but so that's it for the Proteus finally.